Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. When briefing senior management on the creation of a governance process, the most important aspect should be: Option A. Knowledge required to analyze each issue. Option B. Information security metrics. Option C. Linkage to business area objectives. Option D. Baseline against which metrics are evaluated. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Linkage to business area objectives. Question 2. Which of the following should be determined while defining risk management strategies? Option A. Organizational objectives and risk tolerance. Option B. Enterprise disaster recovery plans. Option C. Risk assessment criteria. Option D. IT architecture complexity. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Organizational objectives and risk tolerance. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.